welcome everybody to this FG Time Forum. My name is Martin Mellor. I'm head of Ericsson Poland. By creating connections that make the unimaginable possible, we're helping to shape an exciting and positive future. A world where limitless connectivity improves lives, redefines business, and pioneers a sustainable future. Imagine a world where limitless connectivity means limitless possibility. So in this presentation, I will share the technology journeys that will take us to the network realities of 2030 and what applications they will enable. But before looking at the network realities of 2030, then what are the realities today? The mobile network connects nearly 9 billion people and machines worldwide via a single open standard. The concept of one global open standard has made mobile technology the fastest growing in the world and affordable because of the economies of scale. It's nearly 3 years since 5G was launched, and already there are over 600 million connections. We forecast in our mobility report that there will be 3.5 billion subscriptions by 2026, 53% share of the mobile data traffic. We now see that 5G will be the world's largest open innovation platform for consumers and for industry, and it's a globally scalable digital infrastructure governed by one standard body. And this is what innovators want. Applications will need more than best effort. Whether VR, automated vehicles, or factory automation, then this will need demanding and specific network performance. And this is where technologies like network slicing will be fundamental. We already see 5G enable a new range of industrial applications with private networks, mobile edge, and connected devices transforming ports, transportation, education, factory automation, and more. And it's important to make sure that the networks are the most energy efficient possible. And we invest considerable effort to make sure that each release of new products deliver improved performance, but with lower energy consumption. We call this breaking the energy curve, and we aim to go to 5G with lower overall energy. And last week at Mobile World Congress, we released 7 new products, all aimed at reducing energy consumption. So look up our smart, slim, and sustainable 5G networks. So we can see that digital infrastructure plays a critical role in society, with communication technologies helping to address social, environmental, and economic challenges across the globe. The intelligent network platform will be reinvented to meet the needs and include capabilities beyond connectivity. This reinvented network will form the core of our digital infrastructure And we will work to ensure that the robust 5G network platform of today continue to evolve towards the 6G era, delivering new capabilities and the kind of extreme performance required by application areas of the future. So now let's explore the technology journeys towards 2030 and the 6G era. And these journeys outline our view of the technology evolution and guide our research activities. 4 of these technology journeys emphasize use cases, and 4 will look at intelligent network platform itself. And this intelligent network platform will enable new applications. So let's have a look at these journeys. An example is the Internet of Senses on the left-hand side of the top. This is a vision of the future where extended reality offers a full sensory experience, making XR indistinguishable from physical reality. We're able to touch, interact with holographic objects, and even feel and smell and taste. In the Internet of Senses, visual, audio, haptic, and other technologies allow human beings to have digital sensory experiences similar to the ones we experience in the physical world. And sensory experiences delivered over the networks are the essence of the Internet of Senses and can be demonstrated through use cases such as the 5 senses, merged reality, immersive communication, remote operation of machinery, all senses online shopping, and sustainable vacations. The Internet of Senses will transform our digital experience to fully immersive by making them multisensory. And imagine an immersive experience of a beach where you can feel the wind blowing on your face, the heat of the sun on your back, the humidity of the ocean air. From the Consumer Lab, we asked 7,600 urban early adopters their views on whether the physical and digital perceptions will eventually merge. 50% expect that physical and digital experiences to be seamlessly merged by 2030, while 60% think that the Internet of Senses will make society more sustainable. Another use case is connected intelligent machines. The connected intelligent machine is a future scenario where the traffic in mobile networks is dominated by ubiquitous systems consisting of machines, intelligent agents, and AI communicating with each other. A third is a digitalized, programmable physical world. We have created in the future a digital representation of our planet. Every physical object has a digital twin that captures the state and behavior of its physical counterpart in real time, in the past, present, and even the future. And the fourth is a connected, sustainable world where information and communication technology has enabled us to build a better planet, tackling global challenges and fulfilling the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. But let's have a look at the network that we'll need to support those applications. And limitless connectivity is where I'll start, and extreme wireless. And this will mean network adaptability, lowering cost, reducing energy, expansion to meet the dynamic needs of platforms. It will need end-to-end functions to leverage high-performance connectivity, extreme performance, and embedded devices everywhere. Looking at extreme performance in a bit more detail, this will mean very high frequency spectrum above 100 gigahertz, sometimes referred to as sub-terahertz, multi-site, multi-rat connectivity, distributed massive MIMO, sensing functionality as an integrated part of the communication network, zero energy devices that will harvest ambient energy for operation, and the network supporting trillions of devices. The second journey is trustworthy systems. It's about elevating the trustworthiness of mobile networks, including network security, privacy and reliability, availability and resilience, to a level where even the most business and mission critical needs of future applications can be satisfied. The third is cognitive networks. A cognitive network is a network that operates with full autonomy, is capable of continuous self-learning and machine reasoning at scale. It uses the knowledge it has gathered in the past to solve new types of problems without involving humans in the loop. This can include zero-touch deployment and operation and continuous real-time performance improvement. And the fourth is network compute fabric. This integrates connectivity with real-time compute and storage at the edge of the network, turning the network into a unified execution environment. So that concludes the technology and use case journeys for the network realities of 2030. And I will have a video to finish the presentation, which shows how the implementation of these journeys might look like in 2030.
I think we got away.
I'm not so sure, Mum. He's still out there.
Quit being so dramatic. Game over, Val.
No, we can still make it. Use the bubble gun.
What, are you crazy?
I've run the scenario 21,465 times.
Silly dog wants me to fight demon with bubbles.
Hurry!
Yeah. Calm down.
Told you it would work.
Let's play something else.
Honey, you got. Mom, maybe we should slow down a bit.
Don't you start now. I'm winning. Yeah,
Sending. Checking for patching loss. No similar results found. Calculating best possible solution.
Why did you let this happen?
I'm sorry, but according to my calculations, putting your arm in that position was necessary to avoid a fracture on your femoral neck.
Analyzing cognitive law. Weakened balance, neural deficiency, conclusion. Ending respiration.
Here you go. Thanks. I've got it. Mom, I'm sorry, but I have to ask, how do you win at fetch?
Guess you don't know everything, do you?
That was our view of the future AI pet. So I hope this presentation on the network realities of 2030 inspires you and excites you. And I look forward to working with all of you to make this 2030 vision a reality.